So you're just sitting there worrying about getting a car loan. Guess what? You don't have to worry anymore, because in today's conversation, I want to share with you the top 10 giant auto loans for bad credit with no money down. Okay, we are speaking about bad credit and no money down. So stick around till the end of today's conversation. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweater Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you're to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to talk to you about the top 10 massive auto loans for bad credit with no money down, okay? Number 10, folks, we have the Credit Acceptance Corporation. Our score is 7/10. So basically, this player is great for people who are unemployed. Okay, so basically they specialize in providing auto loans to people who have experienced financial challenges, including those who are receiving unemployment income. Okay, this is really good. And so there are a lot of things you need to know about. So the loan types, they offer financing for new and used vehicles purchased at a participant dealership. So they do have dealerships across the country, and you need to buy your auto from their participating dealership. Okay, and so when you think about Credit Acceptance Corporation, they are an indirect lender that offers financing through participant dealerships. And while these dealerships are located in all 50 states, there is no guarantee that they will be near your home. Okay, so be aware that some of these dealerships are buy here, pay here dealers as well. And interest rates with these dealers can be quite high, really. And the average, in our view, in our research, was about 20%. This is kind of high. So something to think about. Number 9, folks, we have a Capital One Auto Finance. Our score is 7.5/10. So when we think about auto loans for bad credit without down payments, Capital One Auto Finance is great for pre-qualification. Okay, so some lenders don't offer the ability to pre-qualify for an auto loan without generating a hard credit inquiry, but Capital One does offer that. So they offer a soft pull. Okay, so you can apply for pre-qualification with Capital One Auto Finance. You can check your estimated loan rate and term, assuming that you get a pre-qualification offer without affecting your scores. Okay, you'll have to submit a full application to see if you're approved and get your final loan terms. Okay, so let me give you a little more information about Capital One Auto Finance. So they actually offer loans for new or used cars from a dealer, or for a refinance, you're refinancing your existing auto loan from a different lender. Loan amounts, minimum loan amounts is $4,000 with Capital One Auto Finance, and there are some dealership limitations. In other words, their loans must be used at one of the company's 12,000 participating car dealerships. And eligibility requirements: you must be at least 18 years, live in the contiguous United States, and have a minimum monthly income of $1,500 or $1,800. Okay, and you can also search for cars that fit your needs while also shopping for financing with Capital One Auto Finances. They have an auto navigator tool, so this navigator tool is really good. Number 8, folks, we have Carvana. Our score 8/10. So when you think about Carvana, I want you to think about looking for a lender for one-stop shopping. Okay, so Carvana is known for its network of vending machines where car buyers can pick up their vehicles, and they also offer the opportunity to shop for financing and a car in one place. Okay, and they have a great option for auto loan for bad credit without down payments. So here are some details. So they only have one loan type. They offer loans to finance their in-stock inventory of used cars. So we're not talking about buy new cars here. Okay, no, used cars. With Carvana, it has to be used cars. And if you want a different type of auto loan or don't want to be restricted to Carvana's inventory, you'll need to work with a different lender. And you have the ability to apply for pre-qualification. So they have a pre-qualification process that allows you to see estimated rates and terms you might qualify for without affecting your credit score. So this is kind of good. Why? Because you don't have a hard pull, so you have a soft pull. You have a pre-qualification offer that is good for 30 days. This is kind of cool. And sometimes they might give you 45 days. So that's the maximum. And in terms of requirements, they require you to have a minimum income of $4,000 a year. That's yearly gross income. And you need to have no active bankruptcies, okay? And they do not accept co-signers. So unless you use a third-party financing, Carvana does not allow co-signers. So if you want to apply for a car loan with a co-signer, you want to go with a different lender. Let me talk to you about number 7, new roads. Our score, 8.5 over 10. We kind of love new roads because they actually give you good interest rate discounts, okay? So it can be tough to qualify for low rates when you have poor credit and you're looking for an auto loan with no down payments, right? But new roads, the direct lending division of Consumer Portfolio Services, they offer interest rate discounts on certain certified pre-owned and new car models that can reduce interest charges, okay? And so we love that. And we love the fact that their process is really transparent. They explain everything to you up front. They do not play games with you. They get back to you. They respond to your email. They respond to your phone calls. Not a problem. And in terms of loan types, New Roads offers new and used car loans, lease buyout loans, and refinance loans. Okay, so you have a large constellation of loans to qualify for. And in terms of availability, New Roads auto loans are available in only 30 states. So you might want to double check with your whether they actually offer loans in your state before starting the whole process. And no down payment is required at all, okay? As a matter of fact, all players in today's list do not require a down payment. If you want to make a down payment, okay, but they do not require it, okay? And the thing is that the New Roads will consider applications from people who have a repossessions or bankruptcy, even if it's still open on their credit reports. So this is really good. And New Roads allow you to apply with a co-buyer. Number 6, folks, we have Autopay. Our score, 8.5 over 10. So when you think about Autopay, I want you to think about a lender that gives you a wide range of auto loans, including loans for new and used cars, purchased from a dealer, private party loans, and multiple refinancing options, including traditional cashback and lease buyout refinancing. So this is really good to think about. And so you can receive from Autopay multiple offers. Think about that. This is really, because when you think about Autopay, I want to specify here, they are not a direct lender, okay? They are an online marketplace that connects you with auto lenders, giving you an opportunity to receive loan offers from more than one lender. So this is important. And with Autopay, you have the ability to pre-qualify. So if you pre-qualify for an auto loan, you can check your estimated rates and loan terms without affecting your credit scores. But note that pre-qualification does not guarantee approval or specific terms, okay? And that information will be determined after you submit a formal loan application. And so if you are approved, this will also trigger a hard credit inquiry. It's very important. But what we love with Autopay is that they have a large constellation of loans that range from $2,500 to $100,000. And loan terms range from 24 to 80 to 96 months. And loans without down payments are totally possible. And they do allow you to apply with the co-applicants, not a problem. As a matter of fact, there are some additional products you can buy through Autopay. They sell vehicle service contracts and guaranteed asset protection insurance for an extra fee. So if your car is stolen or totaled in an accident, gap insurance can help cover the difference between the current value of your vehicle and what you owe on your auto loan. Number 5, folks, we have Blue Sky Auto Finance. Our score, 9 over 10. So this is Blue Sky is another lending marketplace that connects borrowers with lenders, okay? And this will save you time, really, when you think about it, because you don't have to apply with multiple lenders and auto dealers, okay? And so to get you started, you can apply online in 3 simple steps. So Blue Sky promises that the finance request form is easy to fill out and that you can be approved for a car loan in as little as 24 hours. So what are the requirements here? So borrowers, you must be at least 18 years of age. You must have an income of at least $1,800 per month. That's gross income. The car's mileage must be under 100,000 miles. Vehicles must be less than 8 years old, and the loan must be 8,000 or higher. Okay, so Blue Sky offers fast approval for borrowers with a poor credit history and no down payments. They are able to work with you if you have filed for bankruptcy in the past. In addition, the online process is easy, and you can qualify for a car loan in less than 1 day. This is really good. Okay, and so Blue Sky Auto Finance, 9/10. Number 4, folks, we have road loans. Our score, 9/10. So when you think about road loans, you're thinking about the same pattern that you have with Blue Sky Auto Finance or Autopay. In other words, road loans is another online lending platform that actually matches borrowers with bad credit scores to lenders who offer new and used car loans. Okay, and the company works with more than 14,000 car dealerships nationwide. 14,000. That's just fantastic. So you can apply online with road loans in less than 10 minutes and receive a lending decision instantly. You will fill out the company's one-page lending application and then receive offers from interested lenders. Okay, so you must be at least 18 years to apply. Lending is not available to borrowers in Alaska, Hawaii, Mississippi, Nevada, or New Hampshire. So if you happen to be in those states, you can qualify for a loan through road loans. You must have a minimum income of $1,800 per month, and the minimum loan amount is $5,000. Okay, and the thing what we love is that there are no credit requirements to apply for a car loan through road loans, and the company may be a great choice if you're hoping to get a no money down car loan from a dealership. Okay, and road loans does not charge any fees, and the application process is fairly straightforward. Number 3, folks, we have here My Auto Loan. Our score, 9.5/10. This is a great platform if you want to shop around. Okay, because comparing auto loan offers from multiple lenders helps ensure you get the lowest rate possible. Even if you have a poor credit and you don't want to make you don't want to put money down, My Auto Loan is it's also a great online marketplace. And so if you're looking for auto financing, they can match you with lenders in their network that meets your needs. You can receive up to 4 loan offers in just a few minutes. Okay, and so My Auto Loan offers a wide range of auto loans, including new and used car loans, as well as private party, lease buyout, and refinance loans. And so they will consider people who have filed for bankruptcy as long as the bankruptcy has been discharged or dismissed. In terms of eligibility requirements, their requirements really vary by lender. So in general, you need to be at least 18 years of age, have a FICO score of 500 to 575, and a minimum income of $21,000 to qualify for a loan. Okay, and we're talking about gross income, and in most cases they do not require a down payment. And the good thing is that My Auto Loan's interest rate calculator lets you see your estimated rate based on loan type, loan amount, and your credit scores. So this is really good. So when you apply for an auto loan with My Auto Loan, you will actually receive quotes from multiple lenders who are willing to work with you. If you apply with a credit-worthy co-signer, you will receive more favorable rates. Okay, and any loan offers you receive will last for up to 30 days. This is important to mention. However, you are now required to choose any offers you receive. You don't have to. You can just walk away. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome 30 Kiwi Show. In today's conversation, I'm still talking to you about top 10 giant auto loans for bad credit with no money down. Okay, and number 2, we have carloan.com, and the thing is, our score 9.5/10. The thing is, when you think about carloan.com, this is another lending marketplace that will match you with subprime lenders. Okay, and those have no credit score requirements, and they are willing to work with subprime borrowers. The flip side of things is that their rates are kind of high. But hey, listen, if you have no other option and you need to get a car and you just need to get to work, or you just need you just need a ride, but you have poor credit, they will still work with you. And the good thing is you can get a car loan through carloan.com, and later on when your credit score improves, you can refinance the car. This is totally possible. Okay, you can buy, lease, or rent a new or used car through carloan.com. So to get started, you will follow the company. They do have a 4-step process. First, you apply online, then the company will match you with a lender or a dealership. Next, you will choose the car that meets your needs, and once you're approved, you can drive away in your new car. Simple as that. It can be a new car, it can be a used car. It really depends on you. So the requirements: you must be a U.S. citizen, you must be employed full-time or have a guaranteed fixed income, you must be at least 18 years to apply. Okay, so what we love with car loan is that they will work with you even if you are a subprime borrower or have gone through bankruptcy. And working with the lending marketplace will save you from applying with a bunch of different lenders, and the company doesn't put any mileage restrictions on the vehicle you purchase. So this is really good. Number one, the best of the best, in our view, the best of the best when we talk about auto loans for bad credit with no money down. We're speaking about giant auto loans. Best of the best, Auto Credit Express. Our score 10 over 10. Okay, and so again, here is another online marketplace that will connect you with more than 1,200 auto dealerships and lenders. And these lenders offer auto financing on new and used cars to borrowers with bad credit. Okay, and the company will even work with borrowers who have gone through bankruptcy. And we love auto loans. We love ACE, Auto Credit Express's auto loan estimator, to see how much you can expect to be approved for. And from there, you can apply online or over the phone. Okay, so what are the requirements here? You must be located in the United States, employed full-time with income of at least $1,500 per month. You have or can apply for auto insurance, have a working phone number, and you can show proof of residency. Okay, and so really, when you choose Auto Credit Express, you are increasing your odds of qualifying for a car loan simply because they work with so many lenders. Okay, and so dealers in their network offer no money down car loans up to $35,000. And the company doesn't allow co-signers. So this is really good. So applying is quick and easy, and Auto Credit Express does a soft pull on your credit reports, so your credit score will not be affected. So let me just have a quick overview here. So when we talk about auto loans for bad credit and no money down, it's important to understand that you need transportation. You need to commute. I mean, unless you live in a city where you can rely completely on public transportation or Uber for that matter, owning a car becomes a necessity. Okay, and it's important to understand that how can you get a car? I mean, so owning a car is important, but you need to get a car at a good rate, right? You want to get a car loan at a good rate. The problem is you have bad credit, so you need to find the cheapest solutions available out there. So how do you get a car with bad credit and no money down? There are two things. You need to find the right lenders. And most of the time, based on our research, the right lenders are usually online marketplaces. So marketplace lenders. And once you apply through those marketplace lenders, you will realize that you will receive a bunch of offers. And that's just that's the best option, because you don't want to actually risk having hard pull over hard pull over hard pull by just applying individually to a lot of lenders. No, apply through a marketplace. You get a bunch of offers, and if you want to go with one offer, then basically you can actually choose them. It's a lot better. So when you think about Auto Credit Express, carloan.com, Auto Loan, Road Loans, Blue Sky Auto Finance, all those are marketplace, or they are marketplace lenders. One direct lender is Capital One Auto Finance, okay, or Carvana for that matter. So we pick these lenders based on the range of auto loans offered, their ability to give you pre-qualification without actually doing a hard pull, so you can see estimated rates and terms, whether co-applicants are allowed, okay, which can help you get better loan terms or rates. Other perks like rate discounts, okay. So when you want to consider bad credit auto loans, pay attention to a few things. Obviously, the APR is high already because you have a poor credit, so that's not a problem. But think about all the extra fees. Don't fall for all those origination fees, admin fees, and whatnot. No, if they start charging you those things, you're just walking away. You just walk away. Okay, there are better options out there. So you definitely don't want to pay fees. It's important. You want to make sure that you look at the conditions, other terms and conditions. For instance, how long the loan is for. Do they take new or used cars? Okay. Do they have a mileage restriction on the cars? Those are important. Okay. But overall, you really want to pay attention to online marketplaces. Do not go with a direct lender. Not at all. Before I close today's conversation, please check out our loan evaluation approach video. We have a strict methodology on this show when it comes to evaluating, categorizing, and listing loans, including auto loans. Check this out. Okay, folks. So I want to quickly recap here. We have the top 10 giant auto loans for bad credit with no money down. Number 1, Auto Credit Express, 10/10. Number 2, carloan.com, 9.5/10. Number 3, My Auto Loan, 9.5/10. Number 4, Road Loans, 9/10. Number 5, Blue Sky Auto Finance, 9/10. Number 6, Autopay, 8.5/10. Number 7, New Roads, 8.5/10. Number 8, Carvana, 8/10. Number 9, Capital One Auto Finance, 7.5/10. Number 10, last but not the least, we have Credit Acceptance Corporation. Our score, 7/10. Thank you so much for your attention, folks. I really appreciate it. I will see you next time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.